Yo, what's good everyone on YouTube? It is your boy Got Kicks and I'm back again with another video. Now, this is going to be on the second pair of shoes that I was mentioning. Now, if this is what I think it is, I am finally so happy that I finally got a pair on release day. Since about 2016, maybe 2017, I've been taking just L after L after L. It's just when the hype was big, it was impossible to get these. If you're lucky to get them on a release day, you were lucky. Otherwise, you would be stuck paying resale. I got these for retail, and I stuck between either keeping them or selling them. Now, I did have to go up half a size in these, and if I think I know what they are, they do restock these every couple of days on Footlocker, so that's been my main place to cop my sneakers lately, like to get my sneakers. Shout out Footlocker Canada, they're the ones that sent these over. I don't have any brand deals. I don't have, a huge audience. I don't have a huge following. I have to pay for all my sneakers with my own money. Hopefully one day brands start sending shoes over because it is starting to get expensive, but as long as you know what you're doing and you're not going broke buying sneakers, then you're good to go. You just gotta manage how much you spend. That's all. Other than that, there's not much to it. But yeah, resale's doing pretty okay on these. I did have a pair of these before in a different colorway, but I did end up selling them because I went with my true size, which is a 10 in certain Adidas. And oh, you can tell from the box, it is a pair of Yeezy Boost 350 V2s, and there's not much else that I need to mention at all. This is a pair of 350 V2s in the sand taupe colorway. Now, Yeezys are not cheap, first of all. They're more expensive than Jordans. But, Kanye said everybody's going to get Yeezys, and these were kind of easy to get. I was actually surprised because the bread 350s were pretty hard to get. These, I got them right away. There was no bots, so there was no error, whatever, like on Foot Locker at all. These were released on Yeezy supplies. They were released on Adidas. But I think you had to reserve a pair on Adidas. None of that shit on Foot Locker at all. Livestock Canada had a raffle for these, and I've entered raffles multiple times. I've had no luck on raffles ever, so I just like buying my sneakers flat out on the spot. Now, Adidas did not write the name properly on the box. It doesn't even say Santaupe or Taupe at all. It just says Santo, like Santau. So it's like, how are people supposed to know, right? Last time I had a pair of the Butters in a size 10 because every guy that I knew that had Yeezys or has owned Yeezys before, they're like, oh, like go with their Ultra Boost size, and I'm a size 9 in most Nikes, right? Air Maxes I have to go 9.5. Ultra Boost I have to go 10. All New Balances 10. Asics 10. Saucony 10. Pumas sometimes 10. Sometimes 9.5 depending on the shoe. So I had the Butters, but they were pinching my toes like every time I'd wear them, and I had them for months. And I just got kind of tired of that. It was just so uncomfortable. My foot felt just cramped. So some people said it sometimes go up half a size, so I went with a 10.5 in these. And I might undead stock them or I might just sell them because, like my collection is starting to. I haven't bought any personal pairs in a while, but these kind of remind me. My brother saw these online and he was like, "Yo, do you know what these remind me of? Salmon, like fish." And I was like, "What the fuck is he getting at? Like, what is he talking about?" Then I saw Exactly what he's talking about. The stripe on the side makes them look like salmon, kind of. And I was just kind of giggling. I was like, what do you mean? And then I saw them and I was like, yo, he does have a point. They do kind of look like fish. Now Kanye like seriously needs to stop with the sand colored or beige colored Yeezys. Like, we get it. You're crazy or obsessed with beige tones, but enough is enough. Like, what the fuck are you doing, man? Like, we've gotten like a million, you know, Yeezy colors since like 2017. And then people wonder why Yeezys don't sell that much anymore because Adidas overdid it. They made way too many, way too fast, and like just different shades of tan and beige and stuff like that. Like they didn't make like gray and stuff like that, but oh, the laces on these are slightly different. Because I had the butters and they used to have laces, you know, like you could tie the laces, but these are already like this. They put a lace lock on them. So that'll make it easier to put them on and off. I'm not crazy about the colorway on these personally, and the material they use this time seems very thin compared to regular Prime Knit, because all Yeezys have Prime Knit pretty much. But yeah, these feel different. Like I'm not mad at them, but it's just like, for like I'm glad that I finally got a pair on release day. But like, oh, there's a little packet in here. And Yeezys never come with a packet in the box ever. Let's see what's in here. Oh, they did a secondary set of laces. Oh, they're 3M. They're reflective laces. That is so dope. They're so sick. Like, that's so cool, man. Like, they did a secondary set of laces on these. Yeezys never come with secondary laces. That is kind of yeah, it was too much beige for me personally. This gray reflective lace will definitely change it up a little bit. But yeah, and then here's a second pair. I have worn Yeezys once. So, no. When I had my butters, I wore them probably like 5 or 6 times. My feet did not like them at all. Probably because they were a size 10. If I do choose to wear these, 10.5 should be better, because I was going to get an 11 and I thought that 11 my feet would be swimming in them, like they'd be too big. So some people told me to take the insoles out of Yeezys. Now I don't know if this is true, but I have searched up how to authenticate Yeezys online. Some people say that the size tag inside the label, if it has an Adidas logo and it says male on it, that means they're fake. And if they don't have that, that means they're real. But I have seen real Yeezys with that same tag before, so I'm like, who are you supposed to believe, right? But I'm not gonna drag this on. I'm not gonna carry this on. But yeah, that's my video for these guys. Thanks for watching. Keep liking, commenting, subscribing down below. Until later, enjoy the rest of your day. Love you. Peace. Bye. Now let me know. Should I put the reflective laces in these, or should I leave these color match laces in them? I think I might toss the reflective laces in these, just cause. But yeah. Hopefully that's my thumbnail for these. You will figure out that I finally got a pair of Yeezys for retail. I didn't have to pay resale. I paid $3.75 for my butters, and yeah, the market went to shit on those, and I actually had to sell them for a loss. People are asking like $400 for those still. I'm like, you're not gonna get $400 because they were a huge GR release. I had to let mine go for $250. But yeah. Other than that, there's nothing else much to it. Peace. I'm out. Bye.